Hi there, it's Tamara Payne, and welcome to day 33 of your 40 Days to Prosperity meditation series. Let's begin in a nice reclined position or a nice tall seat. Our meditation focus today are the following affirmations. I trust the intelligence within me to lead me and guide me to my own success. I deserve to be a success in every area of my life. I am one with the power of God that created me. I have within me all of the ingredients for success. I now allow and invite the success formula to flow through me and to manifest in my world. Whatever I am guided to will be a success. I learn from every experience. I go from success to success and from glory to glory. My pathway is a series of stepping stones to even greater successes. God and divine intelligence gives me all the ideas I can use to create wealth. Everything I touch is a success. There is plenty for everyone, including me and my family. I establish a new awareness of success. I move into the winning circle. I am a magnet for divine prosperity. I am blessed beyond my fondest and wildest dreams. Riches of every sort are drawn to me. Golden opportunities are everywhere for me. Repeating that last one again. Golden opportunities are everywhere for me. Breathing that in deep into your abdomen, finding a smile on your face, perhaps repeating it internally again for the third time. Golden opportunities are everywhere for me. Taking 3 last abdominal breaths together. As you gently begin to bring your awareness back to the here and now, I thank you so much for joining me and us in this meditation, and I'll see you tomorrow.